What is a craftsman-style house? Here are the most common characteristics of the craftsman style. The craftsman architectural style was born from creative aspirations to add charm and character to 20th-century homes. A craftsman-style house is a residential structure that incorporates elements of exterior and interior design inspired by the arts and crafts movement of the early 1900s. Although craftsman homes are similar in style to bungalows, the latter term originated from 17th-century Indian cottages, known as bangala. So although craftsman and bungalow home styles resemble each other in size and structure, they differ in architectural inspiration. Craftsman architecture spread through the United States. New variations of the traditional craftsman home appeared in the Midwest and Southern California. Most common characteristics of the craftsman style. 1. A low-pitched gable or a hip roof with overhanging eaves. Most craftsman homes have a low-pitched gable roof or a hip roof and extended rafter tails. This is a stable and durable design, especially in wet or snowy climates. 2. Earth-toned exteriors. Craftsman houses typically use stucco, brick, or painted wooden siding that gives the home a natural aesthetic. 3. Front porches. Whether it is a wraparound porch or a small, covered patio that leads up to the entry door, a porch is a signature component of any craftsman house. 4. Handcrafted details. Craftsman homes include custom or handcrafted components, such as carved or engraved nooks, fireplaces, or window seats at front-facing dormers. 5. 1 or 2 stories. In rebellion against the vertical structure of Victorians, craftsman homes are typically built with just 1 or 2 stories to emphasize horizontal lines. 6. Open floor plans. Craftsman homes typically utilize an open floor plan for easy travel between rooms and the spread of natural light throughout the home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.